Did you know that Elli Beach is one of the most popular beaches in Rhodos? Rhodos town, here we are. We are near Rhodos Aquarium. This is where Elli Beach starts and ends, basically. So let's take a look around and let's see what are the sunbed prices for this year, 2025. Weather is beautiful, so let's get started. We are on the most northern part of Rhodes near Rhodos Aquarium, and we have Akti Canary Beach on the left, and on the right we have Elli Beach. So today we are exploring Elli Beach. Today is 23rd of May, 11 a.m. So I see some people are already at the beach, and this is one of the most popular beaches in Rhodos town and Rhodos overall. And you can see why, because water is beautiful, water is calm, nice beautiful colors, lots and lots of sunbeds, and also we have Gabriel's Water Sports here, which is the only water sports in Rhodos town. So today I won't go near the beach because lots of people sunbathe naked. I know all the men like naked women, but let's give them some privacy. So Elli Beach is going in front of or at the back of Rhodos Casino and basically to the end. And Elli Beach is famous because they have a jumping tower here. So today we go around and reach to the main spot where all the best restaurants and bars are near the jumping tower. Nearby hotels are Cactus Hotel, Hibiscus Hotel, Aquarium View Hotel. You can find some toilets in this beach. Buy some fresh orange juice all season around. So let's get past a few bars and restaurants all over the beach. I know a few years back the sunbed prices were between 10 euros to 15 euros per set if you are far away from popular restaurants. But let's see what are they this season. Gabriel's Water Sport Center also rents a boat to explore northern part of the area. Nice option. So this is the main entrance, not main entrance, it's a side entrance for Rhodos Casino, which is a huge casino hotel, very great history. If you want to read more, go search. So basically the basic set of sunbeds and umbrella were around 10 to 15 euros, and these more comfy ones are more expensive and even up to 80 euros 2 years back. So let's see what it's this season. Casino Rhodos has nice pool, also pool bar. So you can enjoy drinks, enjoy the pool. You have to pay for the sunbeds and umbrellas. But then you can like hang out here if you want to have a pool and also have a sea as an option. I was here 1 year back, so it was quite nice. Music, some pool, so totally worth the place. They are building something here, renovating all the time. So soon we are at the spot. So here are the main restaurants. One of the most popular where even locals come to. Azul, Playa de Azul roads. As it's May, they haven't put all the sunbeds to the beach yet. But it's about 25 degrees already. No wind. Let's see if we can access the beach also. I will leave my scooter here. Hopefully it stays here. So let's take a peek. So in front of me is the famous jumping tower. If you want to see how I climbed up there during winter time, then I have a video about it on my YouTube channel. But yes, here we are, not so many people, but during the summertime this place is packed. And a few years back these front beds were 80 euros per bed. So
sleep.
So you can dine here, enjoy music. I'm not going closer because it's copyrighted music. Otherwise I can't upload this video. So this place is awesome. Also they have another restaurant here. So they are already preparing for the full summer. It's not fully open yet, but nice place to hang out. So Eli Beach, one of the most popular beaches. So the sunbeds from the back were 30, 40, 50 and 80 euros. The closer you get to the beach, the more you pay if you want to be at the seafront. Let's go at the end of Eli Beach. There are some nice restaurants there. What I have read about Elli Beach restaurants, then Ronda is the name that caught my eye pretty much every time. And Meltemi also, which is right near. Let's see if we can access. Meltemi restaurant. Yes, this place will be full of people, and you can even find a sunbed with 80 euros in the summertime. So these are the first spots here. Elli Beach is a pebbly beach. Rhodos town doesn't have sandy beaches, but it's nice. So I took a little break and took one coffee. And what I can say about prices at Elli Beach, expect them to be twice as high as anywhere else, because coffee costs 4.5 euros and beer started at 8 euros. So you can get snacks and food from 15 euros. So it's a very popular place, very prestige place. So if you want to come and enjoy the beachfront at best restaurants, then you should come here. There is one thing I want to add. Please do not subscribe if you don't like roads. And also, if you like spending money, paying over the price, then don't visit loonitravels.com, because I have secret deals there and there are people who like to save money. So back to the video. So I came a little bit away from the beach, because it's really weird to film while other people are half naked or naked. So I took each and one of these restaurants and I found out some sunbed prices. And the first one, Rhodos Casino beachfront, has sunbeds 20 to 35 euros for the first row. And if you want a private cabana, then it's 105 euros. Next we had 20 and 25 euros for the first rows. As I saw, the most expensive sunbeds in Elli Beach are in front of Ronda Beach Bar, because it's one of the most popular also. And the first row costs 50 euros, then 40, 30 and 20 euros. When we come forward, Elli restaurant has prices 25 or 20 euros for the first row, and also Nor, where I'm at the moment, the prices are 30 euros. When you come to Elli Beach, you can also get some spa services. At the moment they are building the houses here where they can do that, but I saw many places where they start to offer spa services also, and I see some people walking around the beach and offering their massage services. So Elli Beach, one of the most popular beaches in Rhodos town. Nice place. During summertime it's fully packed, so based on the vibe and everything, you can choose your spot here. There are many great restaurants, all well rated, like Nor, Elli, Ronda. What else? I can't remember everything, but they are next to each other, so you can choose what has the most best vibe and music, and just chill here for the whole day. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.